All right, here we go. We got some cornstarch, Vaseline. What else? For some blood, I'm going to be using Dawn and red food coloring. So once you put all the petroleum jelly inside the pot, you put the whole pot inside this bucket, which has like just lukewarm water. Well, actually, it's just hot water from the tap. Wasn't as solid as before when it first came out of the jars there. So this is pretty good. I'll be back. Chocolate. Go ahead and mix it in there. All right, this is where it gets real messy. No more stick. Look at this. It's gonna be messy. So I don't know how I'm gonna turn on the camera. So here you go. So after kneading this thing, we have this really good consistency of Play-Doh type texture and still sticky. So we could stick this onto your skin, could blend it out or something, whatever, and then you could pretty much scar it up. Okay, and it should stay for a while, so you got enough here to create all kinds of scars and wounds, whatever. All right, I'll see you guys later. Okay, I'm back. So now this is the skin. So it's a big piece of, look like dough bread. Grab a little bit of it. I'm gonna see if this works. So you could put it on your own skin now and just rub it in. You put this on your face or whatever, and just fade it out. Put some, change the color, whatever you want to do with it. Put as much as you want. Alright, so this is what the wound ended up looking like. I got plenty of it still in here so I could use it for other stuff. Just wanted to let you guys see how it blends pretty good. I kind of messed this up a little bit, but other than that, it looks pretty good. I pull out the toothpick, it goes in pretty deep. So there you go. That's the wound. Put it right back. Turned out not so bad. And I got a ton of it. Probably put this on my face and just cut it up any way I want. Alright, see you guys later, bye.